Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the supplied password does not meet the requirements for password on this computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, there is a resolution which allows you to make the password requirements less complex, but I will strongly not suggest that. So I'll tell you how to form a password. Use one capital letter, let's say it is N. Use one small letter, let us say it is D. Use one number, let us say it is 1. Use one special character, let's say it's dollar, and then enter anything after that. This is how you can create a password and save it somewhere, or you can create any password of your choice, but just use these four elements. Else, there are a lot of strong password generator. You can use the free online ones. You don't need to download it, or you don't need to pay for it, but change the password length to 8 at least, and then add all of these and then ask it to generate a password. Okay, so it will generate a few passwords. You can pick any one of them and never share it with anyone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.